Good morning to everyone. My name is Govardhan. MCA finished in 2020. My topic is trusty electronic voting using adjusted blockchain technology. Here we are presenting a new e-voting system with fingerprint scanning that will overcome the drawbacks of the current voting methods that are used in India. Abstract. The electronic voting has emerged over time as a replacement to the paper-based voting to reduce the redundancy and inconsistency. The historical perspective presented in last 2 decades suggested that it has been successful. That ceiling concept would making the blockchain technology need to polling process. A new voting system can be implemented using login which requires fingerprint scan the name of the candidate. A simple user-friendly interface is used, but which will happen even to alternative voters. We focus in more on the visual representation data and no unnecessary links are used to interface. It's made as simple as possible with only basic facilities. Introduction. The voting scheme evolved from counting hands in early days to a system that includes paper, punch card, mechanical lever. But the electronic voting system suffers damage machine to lack of attention. Mass update does not allow users to update and edit implementation and declaration blockchain. Proposed system is a biometric online voting system which biometric fingerprint using Aadhaar card. It determines a particular voter. It allows particular voter to cast the votes online. The polling process continues until voting, and the votes are stored in blockchain server and viewed the public. This ensures the trustworthy environment. Exit system. This is the current voting system used in India. In this system, vote is cast using electronics ballot. In the we cast a vote in electronic machine. This is a group of some counter and reset. This is voting system is quite easy, simple. It has been advantage in mobility, secure and flexibility. Advantage: voter can cast their votes from anywhere in the country, which visiting to voting booths in a highly secured way. The collection of the result is done from the stored data on the block through the signification organization and the nodes in blockchain. Disadvantage: actually, existing voter registration system. Um, the problems of existing manual system of voting include among other followings: expensive and time consuming. The process of collection data and entering the data in database takes too much of data and time to expect to conduct. For example, time and money spent printing data captured from preparing registration session. Module description. Module 1. Admin login page with default username. After scanning, enter the detail name. Admin, if fill account rejected, they will be saying we intimated the again by admin. Admin can create an election with the election type and election constituency, and the election get triggered and the given data. Verified user to log in and scan his Aadhaar if election constituency matching election details. When user completes his voting process stored in blockchain, so voter can process stored in blockchain to complete it. User can view their vote with pie charts treated in the blockchain. SHA-256 algorithm has been used as track the data. Admin can publish the result of each function after the election process fully completed. Software requirements: Windows 7 and above. In the apps. Hardware requirements: technology user J2E, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Ajax, PHP. Conclusion: our proposal enables a voter to cast our vote through internet without going to voting booth and additionally registering himself. Of our voting advantage, proxy or double voting is not possible. For a online voting is also an external mechanism that does not require geological proximity of the voters. For example, soldiers cover a possible to election by voting online. Thank you.